Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel, and we are back with another tutorial video which is related with PayPal. And in this PayPal related video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can link your debit card to your PayPal. So it's pretty simple to link your debit card to your PayPal. Now why you want to link that is if you link your debit card to your PayPal, you will be able to pay to some person or pay to the person whom you took some money with. You can pay anything. You can literally pay anyone or any one of your friends, and then like the money will be straight up charged from your debit card by PayPal, and it's going to charge some amount of fee for it as well. So that's the basic advantage of linking a debit card to your PayPal. So let me tell you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's jump right into the video, shall we? So the first thing is you want to click on this little setting icon at the top of your PayPal. You want to click on it. After you click on it, basically what you want to do is you want to go on where it says bank and cards over here. You want to click on banks and card. After you click on banks and card, you want to click on this plus icon over here. After you click on this plus icon, you want to click on where it says debit or credit card. You want to click on debit or credit card. Now since we want to link our debit and credit card, if one of your debit card is from over here, you can choose this just like this. Let's say it's American Express. You can click on American Express and agree and connect, and you can just agree and connect and connect your debit card from over here. But if it is not like any one of these over here, so let's say it's not any one of these over here, you can just click on debit or credit card and you can enter your card number. After entering your card number, it's gonna ask you to enter its CVV ZIP code and its date of expiration. After entering that, you should be able to link your debit card to your PayPal if all the information you wrote was correct. But in some condition, if you were not able to link your debit card, then basically that debit card is linked to someone on the PayPal. Remember, one debit card can be linked in only one PayPal account, alright? You can't link one debit card into multiple PayPal account, one debit card for one account. So if you're not able to connect that, then basically it is connected to another PayPal account. You need to, remove the card from that account, and then only you can add it in this account. So yeah, that's basically how it works. So hope you guys were able to understand this video. If you were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.